Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to the MATLAB new tutorial video. In this tutorial video, we will solve ordinary differential equation using MATLAB. So, in this video, I will teach you the way and give you the concept, and after that, we will solve two examples: first order differential equation and second order differential equation. Then I will give you some practice problem you have to solve by yourself, and then I will upload the solution of them, so you will solve them. And if you have any problem, comment down below. I will reach you as soon as possible. So the practice problem will be in the description box. Okay, so go there and solve them, and practice them as much as you can by your own self. And if you have any problem, I will be available for you. I will solve them and will show you. Okay, so let's start our video. So first of all, what will be the uh, some basic concept? We will use dsolve function. Dsolve function. Dsolve function will contain the function or the equation. Here will be the function or the equation, and the second parameter will be the initial condition. Second parameter will be the initial condition. Sorry, dsolve first parameter will be the function, second we will put initial condition, and third, if we want to solve with sum of variable, like if we want to solve the differential equation with variable x, so I will tell you why we will solve with variable x or y or something. Okay, so you will see in the video. Okay, so this is all about. And the most important, the second thing is, we will use symbolic toolbox to solve these equations. First of all, you have to know how to solve a simple mathematical equations in MATLAB. So let's solve simple mathematical equations in MATLAB first. Then we will solve differential equation, and you will see each and everything, and your concept will be clear out. Okay, here is a differential equation. So first, ignore it. First of all, I will like to teach you that how to solve this equation in MATLAB. X square plus 2x plus 4, sorry for this. Okay, we are going to solve this, so stay tuned. How to solve this? First of all, we will use sims function, sims, and declare variable x. Okay, so now write this equation: x square plus 2 multiplied by x plus 4. Okay, and it is equal to 0. Then double equal to 0. Single equal is the assignment operator. Single equal is assignment operator, and double equal will be will giving will doing equation equal to 0. So hope you understand it. That's why we use double operator. So let's see. Oh, all right, you can see the equation, right? So this is how we can solve a different quadratic equation or any polynomial equation in MATLAB. So let's remove it, and then now we will solve. We see some more concept. Okay, derivative. Sorry, what is derivative? Derivative. How to take derivative in MATLAB? This is very easy and simple way. So how to you can take a derivative? So for example, f is equal to diff. Diff function is used to take the derivative. Okay, diff function, then equation. First parameter is equation, second parameter is with respect to, if we want to take a derivative with respect to x, then x, and third parameter is the order of derivative, first order derivative, second order derivative, or anything. Okay, so I will take a first order derivative. So let's see the answer. No, 2x plus 2, you can solve manually, this will become same. So if we take the derivative with respect to y, then see what will happen. Okay, this is showing that, okay, wait, here I declare two variable, and let's see. Okay, you can see that the derivative with respect to y is 0. So hope you understand it. So take the second derivative. Let's take second derivative of this equation. This will be 2. So you can see this is second derivative of this equation is 2. Okay, so let's cut it down. Now it's time to solve the differential equation. So let's start. This is a first order derivative differential equation we will solve using MATLAB. Okay, so I will give you a 3 or 4 example practice problem. You can solve it by yourself, so your concept will be clear, and then you can practice by your own as many as you can, then you will become the perfect. So I think now okay, so solve it. So first of all, this is a first derivative, this is a first derivative, right? This is first derivative. So let me here is a y with dependent variable y, here dy by dx, here y into x. Y is independent variable, x is dependent variable. Okay, here you can see this one and this. So now take first derivative diff with respect to y1, take the derivative with respect to take the derivative with respect to y. Okay, so this one, and then we will going to solve it. So for example, first of all we will declare we will take the derivative. We take the derivative. So diff derivative derivative we already took. Sorry, now we will going to write this equation. This equation will be f which is this one, which is equal to this one, this whole term is equal to double is equal to 2 cross y plus sine of x. Okay, here we took the derivative. So let's see if there is any problem. No, we don't have any problem in equation. So you can see that we write equation differential with respect y with respect to x. Here different equation derivative y with respect to x. You can see that. Okay, here analyze it. Diff y with respect to x into x, and double equal to sine of x and sine of x 2 into this one. Okay, so this one, all right. So next we will use solve function, dsolve function. Let's equal to dsolve function, and then first I was tell you the first is a differential equation and second is the initial condition. Initial condition for this is y of, sorry, here is c sorry, here is y 0 equal to 0. This one, what does this mean? This mean this is initial condition. This you can know if you know differential equation, so you know this meaning. What does this mean? So just write this and we are and we are taking derivative, and we want that x variable within the x variable within the final equation that will be solved. So first of all, solve before that. So let's see. So you can see that this is the this is the what this is the solution of the derivative. This is a solution of the derivative equation. Now you can see that, okay, our differential equation is solved. Now if you want to if you want that if you want to plot the differential equation, for example, you have a bacterial growth with respect to this and that, then you want to solve that differential or solve that differential equation and want to plot it. So how can you plot it? X with respect to here, with respect to x, then a is equal to MATLAB function. So the MATLAB function a. So let's see, is any no, and now f plot a and interval. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, this is plot. Here we plot the function. So why, what is MATLAB function? This function convert a symbolic equation into MATLAB function, which is a local function. Now we will discuss local function in later on, but you will see it will converting a MATLAB equation to local function. After local function, we use a plot to plot it, and a is a function, and this is the interval in which we want to plot it. So fplot is a nice function. We will make a complete video on it, so stay tuned. But first see. So let's revise this. How did I see? How did we did it? So first of all, we did it symbolic toolbox y, independent variable with dependent variable, and then y f is equal to take the derivative of y with respect to x. Y with respect to x, here you can see. Okay, so don't confuse yourself, just focus on it. And then z is equal to f, this one. This is equation, this equation we did, you know that before we did. And this is a differential equation. Okay, a MATLAB function, and then plot. Okay, so let's do one more example of second order differential equation, then maybe you get a nice idea to. Okay, so second equation is this is okay. This is a second order differential equation, and we have initial condition, two of them. Initial condition is y equal to 0, y bar equal to 1. So already we initialize a symbol as a Sims function. We have first derivative. Now just take a second derivative y with respect to 2y and 2. So here we have to change the uh, equation, which is second plus first, f t minus f t. T is a first derivative, second derivative. F is a second derivative this, and double equal to x minus 2 multiplied exponential. We writing e exponential exp is the exponential e, and how to write minus k minus x inside it. This is how to write this one, e minus x, 2 e minus x. Okay, all right, hope you got it. So this is here we initialize our first we initialize the first condition, and second condition we can initialize. Second condition is y bar equal to 0, y bar equal to y bar f. So f of f of x f of x equal to 0. Okay, f of x equal to 0. Now you got it. Sorry, f of x, sorry, f of 0 is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, sorry, f of equal to 1. So now plot it and got the results. Yes, very nice, we did it. So this is how we can solve ordinary differential equation using MATLAB. Hope you enjoy the video and you learn more. So first of all, again, first of all we have to initialize sims function y with respect to x, dy by dx. Sims function of y with respect to x, dy by dx, y with respect to x. Then we have to take the derivative of y with respect to x and second derivative of y with respect to x. Here you can see this is like this. If you have three equations and you have to take the derivative y with respect to x, here you simply can put 3. Okay, so this is equation, this is we have right equation. So this is also simple, this just same order we can place it there, and very easy, very nice. And at the last we solve solve function, we use solve function and equation, then initial condition, then x, and then we plot and see how nice plot we got it. Hope you enjoy the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you, have a nice day and stay tuned. We will upload on second video on ordinary differential equation, how to solve ODE using 45 function and higher order and this and that. Okay, so stay tuned with us. And partial differential equation, we will solve partial differential equation and much more. So stay tuned with us and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.